Is it the right time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will dive deep into VOO. We initially published a report on our website on Wednesday, January 24, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's essential not to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate with a score of 4.06. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 11.65% since we first recommended VOO as a buy 55 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.21% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. Our latest update on VOO brings an important headline: VOO ETF downgraded to buy candidate. On the last trading day, Wednesday, January 24, 2024, the VOO ETF price experienced a gain of 0.0830%, moving from $445.62 to $445.99. What's interesting is that it has shown consistent gains for the past 5 days. Now, we are eagerly awaiting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated by 0.772%, reaching a low of $445.75 and a high of $449.19. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 of them, resulting in a 2.51% increase over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the volume of shares traded has also increased, signaling a positive technical sign. In fact, there were 1 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 4 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.88 billion. Looking at the performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $449.19, while the lowest was $349.76. Currently, the price sits at 0.71% below the 52-week high, which translates to a value of $3.20 lower. It's interesting to note that this 52-week high also happens to be the all-time high for the ETF. Let's take a closer look at the signals for VOO. Today, we see mostly positive signals in the chart for the VOO ETF. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. If the stock experiences any downward corrections, it is likely to find support at the levels of $441.08 and $433.46. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. On Thursday, January 4, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 3.86% increase so far. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also shows a buy signal. The rising volume along with the price is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The pivots indicator shows a buy signal 14 days ago. The Bollinger indicator shows a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 57 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 53 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicates a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 51 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for VOO. VOO, the ETF, has an interesting support level at $434.01. This support level is significant because when it is tested, we can expect an upwards reaction, which could present a buying opportunity. So, keep an eye on this level. VOO is known for its controlled movements and good liquidity, which makes the risk associated with this stock very low. This is great news for investors looking for stability. Let's take a look at the recent volatility of VOO. In the past day, the ETF moved $3.44 between its high and low points, which is equivalent to a 0.772% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 0.781%. This gives us an idea of how much the ETF can fluctuate on a daily basis. Today, let's analyze potential day trading levels for VOO. When it comes to accumulated volume, there's no significant resistance above for VOO. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such cases, it's advisable to enter a position and keep a close eye on volume to determine the right time to exit. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $434.01. If this support level holds, it presents a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the stock price. We recommend setting the stop-loss at $424.05, representing a decrease of 4.92%. This particular ETF experiences minimal daily fluctuations, making it relatively low risk. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 currently stands at 77, which significantly increases the level of risk involved. Furthermore, we've identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was detected 13 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, the current level of VOO ETF shows positive short-term signals and a generally good trend. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity. However, it's important to note that there are some small weaknesses in the technical picture, leading us to adjust our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, January 25th, we expect VOO to open up 99 cents and start trading at $446.98. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. To make informed investment decisions, always consult with a qualified financial advisor. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Whether you agree or disagree, please comment below and share your insights. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.